Hello guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'm going to show how to set a video as live wallpaper on Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now, let's begin. Starting from macOS Sonoma, we can have a dynamic wallpaper and lock screen. Apple provides several dynamic wallpapers by default. Now, if you want to have your own video as a wallpaper or lock screen, you can. To do so, you'll need a video and a light software called Mac OLED. You can find the software download link below in the video description. In the app, click on Import and then choose your video. After the video is imported, select the video, then click on Set as Wallpaper, and you're done. And now you can see that the selected video is working as a live video wallpaper. The only issue with this is that the video won't work on the lock screen. The default selected wallpaper will be there. Also, the translucent effect on the menu bar will be absent. With Mac OLED, you can hide your live wallpaper or unhide it. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.